everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on X to keep your account extra secure. First, open the app X and tap your profile picture in the top left to open the menu. Go to settings and support and then go to settings and privacy. Next, go to security and account access. Then go to security, then two-factor authentication. Here you will see options like text messages, authentication app or security key. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Let's say text messages. And yeah, that's it. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your account, making it much harder for anyone else to access to your tweets or messages. Take an important moment to step this up. It's quick and gives you peace of mind knowing your account is safer. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more X tips and tutorials. Stay secure, protect your account, and I'll see you in the next